Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to view your assessment result on the Indeed app. Now, Indeed is one search or job site, and we have the mobile version and we have the website. Now, Indeed app is the mobile version of this, and now let's see what it is. Indeed app is a mobile job search platform that helps you find and apply for jobs, track your applications, and connect with employers. Now, how do you view your assessment results on the Indeed app? You have to launch the Indeed app on your mobile device first. Then you log in by entering your credentials. Then you tap on the profile icon, usually located in the top left or top right corner of the app, depending on your mobile phone. Next, you have to look for a section titled Assessments, Skills Test, or something similar within your profile. So it will either be titled Assessment or Skill Set or something related to that. Like I said, depending on your phone. Next one, you have to tap on the section of View Completed Assessments to see a list of assessments you have completed. Then next, you tap on a specific assessment to view your results, which may include your scores, feedback, and comparison to other candidates. Please note that the availability and format of assessment results may vary depending on the specific assessment and the employer. Also remember that assessment results may be shared with employers you apply to, so please review the privacy policy carefully before taking any assessments. If you're having trouble finding your assessment results, even after trying all this, then try contacting Indeed's customer service for assistance. Hope you found this video helpful on how to view your assessment results on Indeed app. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye for now.